pour hot water over the instant noodle bricks. In this recipe, you'll use them in a completely different way. Start by placing 4 instant noodle bricks into a bowl. Cover them with boiling water and let them soak under a lid until they soften. Meanwhile, take 1 chicken breast and cut it into smaller pieces, preferably cubes. Place the chicken in a glass bowl and season it with spices of your choice. Mix everything thoroughly. Heat some clarified butter in a pan, add the diced chicken, and cook until done. In a separate bowl, prepare the sauce. Mix equal parts of plain yogurt and mayonnaise. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of mustard to the sauce and stir well. Once the noodles are ready, transfer them to a large mixing bowl. You can crumble or cut them into smaller pieces to make them easier to eat. Add the cooked chicken, canned corn, diced red bell pepper, pickled cucumbers, and a bit of chopped red onion. Pour the sauce over everything and mix thoroughly, season with salt and pepper to taste. Your instant noodle salad is ready. It's the perfect dish for a party, but also great for any occasion. Enjoy it with friends.